Yo, what is up, guys? We're back with another video. Goddamn POV video. I'm gonna hit this fucking left turn. But yeah, I'm going to get a car wash. I need to go get some cash because, you know, the car wash don't take card. So I gotta go hit the bank. I gotta get some money because this dumbass he want me to get cash for him too. He said he gonna pay me back and all that crazy shit. I was like, goddamn, I don't know who you think I am for, but hey man, we gonna figure out, feel me? All right, hold on. Damn. All these damn speed bumps. Holy shit, Brandy. Fuck. Oh, what the hell? Yo, my car retarded. Yeah, man. You can go, ma'am. You can go. Ma'am. Sorry. Why she smiling like that? That crazy bitch. Alright, Brandy. We gonna make that right turn into the bank. Cause, you know, I'm a banker. I don't know if you guys didn't know that, but I'm a banker, actually. And god damn it, bro. God damn it. Someone in there. They in there right now. Yeah, I'm getting their license plate. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a flying fuck. You guys take that shit, vandalize it, kill it. I don't care. I don't care, for real. Let me get out my wallet. Let me get my wallet, gang. Let me get out my fucking wallet. Shit, bro. It's out my ass. I got my wallet out, gang. You feel me? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. All right, let's get in that hole. We getting in that hole. All right. Park that bitch. And then I'm gonna put that on the window. Bam. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all down for about a little bit. I need a, you know, get some money. Cause my dumbass friend, he not even my friend for real. He just an associate, but like, you know, I gotta act like he is. But yeah, I gotta get some shit for him because he too broke. He can't afford it. So I gotta pay for his goddamn car wash too and all that crazy ass shit. Alright. I'm trying to get some cash. I'm trying to get, oh shit, man. Man. You gotta be kidding me. Get cash. Let's get. You can't get. Oh, fuck. Alright. Turns out I can't go to the bank because I didn't know that you can't get less than $20 out of the bank. You know, I don't carry cash on me like that for real because, you know, I'm just balling. But yeah, you can't carry, like, you can't get $20 or more out of the goddamn thing. So I'm gonna have to go somewhere else to fucking get that bitch. But let's roll out of here. Feel me? You know what I mean? And I'm just gonna get it from like some Walgreens or something like that. I'm gonna have to buy something. You know what I mean? So let's get going. You know what I'm saying? Let's get going. You know, he probably waiting for that for me. Cause you know he ugly and gay. Alright, and then I'm gonna go over here. You know, we don't use no blinkers, you know what I'm saying? I don't even see the point, you know what I mean, of using them damn blinkers. So, you know I'm gonna turn this bitch just like that. I take my motherfucking time. Feel me? Alright. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit this right arm, me. I'm gonna stop right here. Ain't no cars coming, so you know I'm gonna skirt out that bitch You know, I was looking over here. They got a 7-Eleven being built right there. And you see the fucking gas? This shit $123 for some fucking premium, $235 for diesel. Oh, like shit, I'm gonna need to go over there. You know what I'm saying? Cause I be spending too much damn money. They think I'm fucking Elon Musk with that goddamn gas prices. I'm like shit, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Fuck, like, bruh. Goddamn Tesla. You got Tesla in front of me. These fucking Elon Musk creation in front of me, that faggot bitch. I mean, he, yeah, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna clean my, like, interior, because it's kind of dirty. And I'm gonna wash my car, because it's kind of dirty. You know, I might have a family coming over, so, you know, I need to have a presentable car. You know, I can't be riding around in no fucking dirty-ass, musty car, you know what I mean? I can't be riding around in a fucking hoopty. I need my shit look clean, feel me? So that's what I gotta do, you know. You have to take action in life. You can't be sitting on your ass all damn day, eating Reese's and chips and drinking Gatorade. You gotta do shit, you feel me? You gotta do shit. So yeah, anyways, I'll probably about like 10 more minute drive, you feel me? 10 more minutes. You know, I'm gonna just get that cash from like the Walgreens or whatever that's nearby. To, you know what, fuck this bitch. They moving slow as a motherfucker. Yeah, and he wanna cut up too now, Brandon. You goddamn bitch. I gotta go back in my lane because they both slow as a bitch. Fuck. Oh my God, bruh. I'm trying to make a video. Brandon. Move out the way. Move, Brandon, move. Yeah, bro. I wish I had, like, telekinesis powers, bro. I'll pick that bitch up, bam, throw him in the fucking tree. Thank God. You know what I mean? I've been trying out this POV shit for a while. I don't know. I've been liking it. I don't know if a lot of people been liking it, but, like, I enjoy it. That's all that matters. You know what I mean? It's gonna take me a minute to get there, but I'm gonna get there for, I don't know if I should cut the video or not. You know, I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna let y'all understand how smooth and how good of a drive this, like, car can do. You feel me? I'm gonna be there soon, you know what I'm saying? This video is gonna be a little bit long, but that's okay, man. That's okay. I want to give you all the full experience, you know, if you thinking about getting this car, or if you think about just, like, riding with me, because I'm gonna do Uber, you know what I'm saying? If you want to ride with me, you get a good experience, give me that 5-star rating, feel me? Yeah. Yeah, I got the sunroof open. That's why you probably hear that background noise, but, you know, I need that. I need some air in my car. My AC don't fucking work. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a hoopty, but, like, you know, you gotta make it look like it's not a hoopty, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know, you gotta be presentable. Alright. Speed limit 35. Fuck. The fuck, who they think I am? 35. Oh shit, it's 2:34 right now, you know what I'm saying? They probably getting off school and shit. You know, I don't do that school shit. I'm an entrepreneur. You know what I'm saying? I be saying that pressure. They building houses and shit. They building projects. I don't know what the fuck they doing. But golly. You know, Cary, it's turning good. You know what I mean? They got construction all the time. I feel like Cary gonna be like one of the biggest cities in the world. You know what I'm saying? And don't quote me on that, but, like, I feel it. I feel it. Like, look at all this. Look at all this construction. Yo, he need to back the fuck up, bro. He almost ran his ass into me. I would have got a damn lawsuit. I would have sued his bitch ass. That big ass truck. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Don't you worry, guys. I'm a good driver, and I'm a good fucking. I got this friend, bro. He a fucking shit driver. Like, oh my goodness, man. You can give him a self-driving car, he'll still fucking crash. That dumbass bitch. Like, good God. I don't know what's wrong with his brain. You know what what I mean? But like, you got, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know for oh man, you know, at the stoplights, I just sit and relax and really think about life. You know, it's good to do that every once in a while. It really gives you a snap back to reality. You know what I mean? Oh shit, I got my wallet still sitting here. I gotta put, oh shit, I gotta go. I gotta fucking go, man. What the fuck? I'm talking about reality. I gotta fucking go. Oh shit, I almost broke my damn car. Okay, here's my time to shine. You feel me? Hopefully there ain't no police around here, cause like, I don't fuck with them. They don't fuck with me. So you know, it's not a good mix together. But man, I don't know. You heard me? I don't fucking. Oh, he right there. He right there. Yo, chill, Brandon. He right there. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I need to put my phone down. Yo, he right there. Yo, what a coincidence, man. The fuck? He right there. I know y'all saw him, bro. I was about to speed down this hole. I was like, I don't know if I should, because the police, he was right there. Imagine I sped. Y'all would have saw me get pulled over on POV. And like, I know that's not what y'all want happening, because I'm the best POV driver in the world. You feel me? I wasn't about to let that happen to me. I'm almost there. Don't you fucking worry, guys. My friend, he keep fucking calling me because he want that money. He a broke bitch, but like, I ain't gonna let that happen for real, because I don't even got it. Because like the bank, you know, they don't let you get more than $20. I mean, less than $20 out. So like, why would I take a $20 bill when I need to break it anyways? You know what I mean? But hey, man, I'm almost fucking, yeah, bro. I gotta stop, bro. You know that police. I don't want to run no red lights. I don't want to run no yellow lights. I don't want to break nothing. You know what I mean? I don't want to get arrested. I got too many felons. I can't get caught again. I didn't hear that from me. But yeah, guys, you know, getting a car wash, man, it's an amazing thing. You have when you got a passion for cars and you love your car, it's so fun washing it. You know what I mean? Making that thing look nice, smell nice. You know what I mean? My friend, he got a dirty ass fucking car. He don't give a fuck about it. I had to put him on the, you know, washing cars. He don't even wash his damn self. He ain't even know how to wash his ass, you know. Like, I was like, damn, bro, you a dirty motherfucker. You know what I mean? But hey, man, you gotta help your friends out. You know what I mean? You gotta help your friends out. Yeah. So I'm almost here. I'm almost here. I need to I'm gonna talk to him. I'm gonna link up with him. I might get back to you, or I might end the video. It depends. It really depends how I'm feeling. But yeah, almost here. Gas station. You know, he called me about 3-4 times during this POV drive, so he might have fucking left. I don't fucking know if he's still up there. But if he's not, that's good for me. I ain't gonna spend no fucking money on him. You know, spend my fucking money. But yeah. Oh, is he there? That's the car wash for real. I don't see him. He might have fucked around and left. Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna get in here. There's a lot of people here for some reason. I don't know. What is a national car wash? Damn. Did y'all see it? That dumb. Oh, he right there. He right there, y'all. You feel me? Turning it, bitch. I would do my POV drive. You heard me? Alright, y'all. I think that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.